Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to set up Wix email. This is an essential step for managing your business communications directly from your Wix dashboard, allowing you to handle customer inquiries and messages all in one place. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. First, you need to head over to the Wix website and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in and viewing your Wix dashboard, take a look at the left navigation menu. You'll find various options listed there, but today we're focusing on the one labeled Inbox. Go ahead and click on it. This section is where all your email communications will be centralized, making it much easier to stay on top of customer interactions. After clicking on Inbox, you'll be taken to the Inbox Getting Started menu. This is essentially your launchpad for configuring how your email system works within Wix. From this menu, locate and click on Setup Inbox. This button is your gateway to connecting external email services and customizing how you want to receive and send messages through your Wix site. Now here's where the real connection happens. On the next screen, you'll see a link named Set Gmail Sender Address. Click on this link. What this does is allow you to integrate your Gmail account with Wix, so you can send emails from your Wix inbox using your Gmail address. This integration ensures that your responses look professional and come from an address your customers recognize. Once you click that link, a small Gmail login window will pop up on your screen. This is Google's secure login interface, so don't worry, it's completely safe. From this window, simply select and log in to your Gmail account. Make sure you're using the Gmail account that you want to connect to your Wix inbox. Enter your credentials and proceed through any security steps Google might require. After successfully logging in, Wix will establish the connection between your Gmail and your Wix inbox. You'll notice that the status indicator that previously showed not connected will now display as connected. This confirmation means your Gmail is now fully integrated with your Wix email system, and you're ready to start managing your communications seamlessly. And that's it, you've successfully set up your Wix email with Gmail integration. You can now handle all your business emails directly from your Wix dashboard without having to switch between multiple platforms. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.